Do you ever feel like you're walking in the shadows of relationships, unnoticed and undervalued? These aren't ordinary dating tips. They're powerful Stoic principles that forge respect, admiration, and lasting impact. You'll learn not just to gain momentary attention, but to command a presence that endures and influences. Every strategy here is crucial for your transformation. So make sure to watch till the end for the complete guide to elevating your role in any relationship. But first, I would like to ask you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next video. First strategy advice: art of active listening in relationships. Active listening is a demonstration of empathy, respect, and genuine interest in what the other person has to say. When a partner feels heard and understood, it builds trust and strengthens the relationship. It demonstrates that you are not just physically present, but also emotionally invested in the conversation. Active listening involves giving your full attention to your partner, without distractions. It's about being present in the moment, showing that you value their words and feelings. This process includes non-verbal cues like nodding, maintaining eye contact, and appropriate facial expressions that convey your engagement and understanding. More than just passive hearing, active listening requires a conscious effort to understand your partner's perspective. It's about withholding judgment and resisting the urge to formulate your response while the other person is still speaking. It's listening to understand, not just to reply. Reflecting and paraphrasing what has been said is a vital part of active listening. This practice ensures that you have correctly understood your partner's message and gives them the opportunity to clarify if necessary. It also shows that you are truly absorbing and processing their words. Second advice: you must be rare. When you dedicate time to personal growth, interests, and passions, your availability in the relationship naturally becomes more selective. This isn't an indication of disinterest or detachment. Rather, it's a conscious decision to invest your energy wisely. Such a measured approach in your involvement can actually heighten the significance of your presence in the relationship. Being constantly available or always in pursuit can sometimes lead to being taken for granted. However, by engaging thoughtfully and ensuring that your time together is significant and purposeful, your presence becomes more valuable and respected. You shift from being just another predictable element in her life to someone whose presence is anticipated and cherished. This strategy isn't about playing hard to get or crafting an air of mystery. It's about choosing to be present in moments and activities that genuinely reflect your values and deepen your connection. In practice, this means balancing time spent together with time spent apart on individual pursuits. It involves sharing quality moments that are rich in connection and meaning. Embrace a balanced approach, where both partners value and respect each other's individuality as much as their togetherness. This is the key to a relationship that's not only happy, but also rich, exciting, and enduring. Friends, we strive to create unique content for you, for which we would like to ask you to support our channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and we also recommend watching our other videos. Next strategy: setting and respecting boundaries. Healthy boundaries act as guiding principles that define how partners interact with each other, ensuring that both individuals feel respected, valued, and empowered. Understanding the importance of boundaries involves recognizing each other's personal space, values, and individuality. It's about creating a safe environment where both partners feel comfortable expressing their needs, desires, and limits without the fear of judgment or overstepping. These boundaries can range from emotional needs, such as the need for privacy or time alone, to physical boundaries and mutual expectations in various aspects of the relationship. Setting boundaries is a collaborative process. It requires open and honest communication, where both partners express their needs and listen to each other with empathy and understanding. It's an ongoing conversation that evolves as the relationship grows and changes. By establishing these limits, you create a foundation of trust and respect, which are crucial for a healthy and sustainable relationship. Respecting boundaries is just as important as setting them. It involves honoring the limits set by your partner and understanding that these boundaries contribute to their sense of well-being and autonomy. Healthy boundaries in a relationship lead to mutual respect and growth. They allow each partner to maintain their individuality while nurturing the bond they share. Fourth, Strategy: genuine authenticity. When you are authentic in a relationship, you stand as an original, inspiring figure to your partner. Authenticity allows you to craft and follow your unique path, celebrating the immense value of your genuine self. By being true to who you are, you not only uphold your own integrity, but also become a beacon of inspiration for your partner. Adopting authenticity in a relationship paves the way for deeper, more meaningful connections. It fosters a culture where both partners can express their true selves, leading to mutual respect and understanding. This strategy is about more than just being real. It's about the transformative power of authenticity in cultivating a relationship where both individuals are appreciated for who they truly are. By acting with genuine intent and embracing your true passions and values, you naturally attract your partner to your unique journey. This approach encourages both individuals in the relationship to be sincere and transparent in their interactions, contributing positively to each other's life stories. This strategy highlights the revolutionary role of authenticity in building a relationship based on sincere interest, mutual regard, and deep emotional connection. Dear viewers, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, ask them in the comments. Fifth advice: it's silence. In a romantic relationship between a man and a woman, the strategic use of silence can significantly enhance communication. This method recognizes the impact of sometimes holding back from initiating immediate conversations, thereby creating space for the other person to contribute actively. It's about striking the right balance between being accessible and valuing your own time and presence. Silence, in this sense, is not about creating distance or being unapproachable. It's about realizing the importance of intentional pauses in communication. Silence allows both partners to reflect and ponder, paving the way for a deeper understanding and connection. By practicing thoughtful silence, you exude self-assuredness and an understanding that meaningful relationships are not built on constant conversation alone. It shows that you place a high value on purposeful and significant communication. This approach in a relationship prompts both partners to consider the timing and substance of their interactions, ensuring that conversations are impactful and meaningful. Such a strategy leads to stronger, more profound connections. By utilizing silence as a tool for deeper comprehension, you foster more authentic and genuine interactions. Embracing moments of silence in a relationship can be a powerful way to enhance communication dynamics. It teaches both partners the importance of listening and reflecting, contributing to a more wholesome and meaningful bond. Sixth, understanding and fulfilling partners' needs. This journey of attunement goes beyond mere awareness. It's about actively engaging in the delicate task of recognizing and responding to the nuances of your partner's needs. The importance of this understanding cannot be overstated, as it forms the bedrock of a deeply connected and fulfilling relationship. In emotional terms, this understanding involves empathy and compassion. It's about listening not just to the words spoken, but also to the feelings and thoughts left unexpressed. By tuning into your partner's emotional frequencies, you can offer support, comfort, or space as needed. This emotional attentiveness strengthens the bond and builds a foundation of trust and intimacy. Physically, understanding your partner's needs may encompass anything from affectionate touch to being attentive to their comfort and well-being. It's about recognizing their cues and responding with thoughtfulness and care. Whether it's a comforting hug after a long day, a spontaneous act of intimacy, or simply holding their hand during a walk, these physical expressions of love and understanding are vital. By committing to understanding and fulfilling each other's needs, you create a harmonious and lasting partnership. Last advice: learn to step back. In the dynamic between a man and a woman, the concept of stepping back is crucial for maintaining self-respect and prioritizing personal well-being. It involves understanding your boundaries and having the fortitude to distance yourself from situations, relationships, or endeavors that don't align with your values or contribute positively to your life. This isn't about making rash or impulsive decisions. It's about a considered, reflective approach to assess whether a particular relationship truly serves your best interests. Practicing this approach is a testament to your strength and conviction in valuing your own worth. Knowing when to step back is a powerful statement of self-worth. It signifies a conscious decision not to be overly dependent on any single relationship outcome. This strategy enables you to reclaim control over your life, recognizing that your time, energy, and emotional investments are precious and should be spent on relationships that truly resonate with your core values and aspirations. In a romantic context, stepping back when necessary can help maintain a healthy and balanced relationship. It ensures that both partners respect each other's boundaries and value their individuality. Stoicism teaches the importance of helping others. In a relationship, support your partner selflessly. Whether it's through emotional support, helping with tasks, or being there during tough times, a high-value man is compassionate and supportive without keeping score. Thank you for watching until the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and also check out our other videos. See you soon.